We're going to the field. Oh wow!
No, she's the hardest hawk. That's very, very sharp talons.
That's the owl.
That's the owl. Oh my gosh, look! This one is so pretty.
He's coming along here. He's coming along. Look at that one now. You go up there. Don't stand in too far.
No, he lives in a hole, yeah?
He's coming along to look at the
He swallowed the whole child,
Look at ferrets, look!
The owl.
We can touch the ferrets.
Look, look,
That's the owl.
Now,
oh, you're scared. You're a bit scared.
now.
I see that.
That's a ferret!
Ferret.
That's a ferret, real ferret!
No
Look,
bite
there's a nice
them.
white.
No, I hope she will not bite us.
Yeah, that's their mommy.
Is that their mommy? I think so.
Ferrets. That's their
They're all happy
The
now.
mommy, yeah.
Oh, that was babies. Oh.
Ready?
And the owl.
Now, everybody's happy, yeah?
Come on. He's holding the ferret.
The size of that one.
Yes, a really big one. Look.
That's really cool.
Sorry?
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Come to hold her. I dare you.
So cute.
Nice and easy, nice and easy.
That's the mommy. Play down, look.
Oh.
Maybe you'll have to ask him when we get over.
Now, Boar is really, really quiet. You can pet him, yeah? But he doesn't peck or anything. The other little boar down the other end swallowed the whole child yesterday. Yeah? So we don't let you rub him. And what's this little guy called? No, he's called a barn owl. Thanks, love.
Do you want to? Do you want to do one? Take a photograph of one. Hand here, not this one.
Yeah, good lad. Now, which board do you want?
The brown one.
The tawny, and she wants the little barn owl, is it?
The white one, yeah.
Yeah.
Then you have to hold your hand up really high like that.
Yeah, because if you don't, he'll jump onto your head. Which one do you want? The white one? You have to hold your... Now, listen to me.
Really high.
Now, listen to me. Don't move your hand. Sure you won't?
Yeah, don't go too far. We're just waiting for everyone.
You just keep it now.
Don't panic. Don't
No,
panic.
stand down there. Look, because you're
Stand
standing.
down.
Yeah,
Stand down.
Yeah, now keep your hand up really high.
Really high, Natalia, like that.
Yeah, no, really
Ah,
high.
she's
Look,
flying
it's okay.
away.
That's okay, good girl. And are you watching here? Yeah. That you didn't jump onto the little... Now, just get the tawny as well, right? Now keep your hand up really
Really
high.
high, Natalia.
She's not flying.
Right, so look at that one.
Do you like her? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Is she heavy? Is she heavy?
Yeah, have you got your glove?
Can I touch her?
Now hand up really high.
Daniel, listen.
Daniel,
Hand up real
you're
high. Now stand down there, look.
Like that, Daniel.
Down here.
Really
Yeah,
high.
now.
In the same one, yeah.
Now keep your hand up really high.
Up high, Daniel. High. keep
Really
your hand
high,
up.
like this, yeah.
Good boy.
Now look at the girl. Look at the girl, look.
Now look over here.
Smile, I get this quick, right?
Right, 1, 2, 3,
Now,
look,
you
quick.
look into two of you, look
Smile.
at me. Wait, she looks at me, look.
No,
Natalia,
up
look.
high, look. Up high, look at the girl, look.
Quick, quick.
1, 2, 3. Jeez. Brilliant.
Now look over here, look.
Now just 1 second, 1 second. And we take him off you.
Yeah, you see they're heavy and they're...
Oh, she's so soft.
Now you open your hand,
Oh,
I take the
wow.
glove.
Well done, Natalia. Oh,
Now, that was okay, wasn't it?
did you get the glove back?
It's a little
Now,
arms,
good
that
lad. Now listen, see this fella here? See this fella here? This fella is melanistic. One in every
Oh, this one is the smallest.
Keep your hand up. Keep your hand there. Don't move your hand there with your lead. Don't move your hand one sec.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and watch our next video in which we are lost in corn maze. Hope you will like it. Corn maze!
Go away, so.
Wow.